My name is Isaac Newhouse. I graduated last spring with a degree in mechanical engineering from Wright State University. I always wanted to be an engineer. I've always been mechanically inclined. I played with Legos as a kid. I thought machines were really cool when I was in high school, and I like working on cars. That's how I got into engineering, and then I had an internship designing, and that's all I did. I sat behind a desk and designed for 40 hours a week. It was really difficult for me because I didn't ever get to see any of the parts that I designed. I saw and made a lot of drawings, but never saw the final product, and I learned how important that is. I heard about the master's program through a mutual friend. So far, my favorite moment while being at Republic has been welding. You get to see everything. During my time at welding, I was able to look at a drawing and all the instructions and look at a BOM and see all those parts laying next to me at the same time. And then I was able to pick those parts up and put them together just like the drawing says. I kind of had a little epiphany moment being able to see the parts and the assembly while looking at the drawing at the same time. I love the idea of being able to go around the factory and see all the parts and all the pieces and all the people, all the personalities, learning everybody's name, all the work that goes in to create the final product that I'll be selling. At the end of the program, you're gonna have the whole story of how the product is made. When I meet with customers, I'll be able to describe that for them in detail. I can tell them not only that we have a quality product, but why we have a quality product. You won't always have to go ask the technical person, you'll be the technical person.